Hello there YouTube, TechSavagePro here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get free in-app purchases. And the first thing that you're going to want to make sure that you have already done is you're going to need a jailbroken device for this. So make sure that your device is jailbroken like mine. And basically you're just going to go ahead and head over to Cydia, and as usual, I'll leave all the links in the description along with the repos, and I may try to find some alternative links. If these don't work, just let me know. They worked for me, they've worked for a lot of other people. Just let me know in the comments if they don't work, and I'll try to find an alternative for you. So once you have added the sources in Cydia, make sure that you have that done, and then you're gonna go to Cydia, you're gonna let it do its thing, load up, and once it loads, you're gonna get this interface right here. Go ahead and go to your search section and go to local APS store. And as you can see, it's being kind of dumb, but basically you're just gonna want to go ahead and install local APS store, and then I'm sure you have heard of a game called Sausage Run. That's gonna be my demonstration game. So we're just gonna go over to my game section, so click my folder and let's go to Sausage Run. So basically what this allows you to do is, like I said, you can get free in-app purchases. So this can be kind of confusing because there's not too many people that actually explain in depth how to do it or exactly what you need to do, which is why it took me a while to upload this video. But as you can see, I have every single skin that you can have without the achievements. So I'm going to show you how to get that. And this works on the majority of games, but most of the time it does work. If it doesn't work, that just means that that game has blocked it, but it's fine for most games. Now as you can see, the 1,000 coins cost $7. What you're gonna want to do is go ahead and click it. It's gonna refresh, do whatever little purchase thing, and then as you can see, it wants me to pay for it. So once you get here, click cancel, and as you can see, I just got a ton of coins. And that's the video for today. And if you did like this video, make sure that you give a like, you're subscribed, and as always, peace out, and I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.